The unboxing of the EBL 1.5 AA lithium ion rechargeable battery. We purchased them on Amazon. They come with the micro USB input, and each battery cell holds 3300 milliwatt hours. So there's the USB charging cable, batteries, and a little instruction pad. Yep, they're pretty much all the same. So, thank you for watching. So here's the package open. Just had to cut a piece of tape that had EBL on it to just open it. I totally recommend these. We already have 4. They're really powerful. They actually, whenever they charge up, they actually go beyond the borderline of good. I have a battery tester, and these ones go into the green, whereas the ones that I bought from EBL that are on nickel cadmium batteries, they go, when I test them and they're fully charged, they're on the borderline of good and bad. So these ones we use in our smart locks, and they're good for a long time, whereas the other ones, when we put them in, they're good for like maybe 1 or 2 lock and unlocks, and then we receive the warning from the locking system that the batteries are low, even though we just charge them up and put them in. So I totally recommend these. We just got 3 packs of them, so we have a total of 4 packs now. Yeah, so don't buy the nickel cadmium ones. They're okay, but they're not great, and these ones are a lot better. The price is more, but it's well worth it. They charge through USB, so you connect each battery to the USB cable that was provided, and when you charge them up, you'll see a light at the top that will be red, and I believe once it's done charging, the light turns green. And you just unplug it and use it as normal. Well, thanks for watching.